Hello guys, Victor Isibor here. Every business person, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video right till the end. This is more or less like a live video that I'm doing. I've realized the importance of prayers in business. So as you are watching me live, you're doing any business, you need to commit it unto God. You need to have the grace of God in your business so that you'll be able to have very high demands. Okay? Demands that you cannot even supply. Too much for you to supply. You start referring customers to your neighbors to patronize. Okay? So this prayer is very effective. Whether you have faith or you don't have faith, if I teach you this prayer and you pray it tomorrow in the morning before you go about your business, you will be amazed at the amount of customers, both old and new, that will come and patronize your business. Okay? So if you are ready, we'll start the prayers. Okay? If you're ready, we'll just start the prayers immediately. Somebody has joined. Akomu onikposi. Ubi akomu onikposi. Not be that guy with the sell coffin for junction. Why is it he wants to cash out? I don't understand. The number of people joining this live prayer, I don't understand. Akomu that sells coffin wants to do cash out prayer. So that what will happen? How can people be so wicked? Say coffin seller wants to cash out. Jesus Christ. No. I can't teach anybody this prayer right now. This guy cannot be on this live call. What? Pablo Money joins the video. Yahoo boys have started joining the prayer as well. No, we can't let this happen. I see 2 medical doctors on the live call. Ordinary headache that paracetamol can cure before. If you like, swallow one whole sachet. It will not work. If doctors join this prayer and they pray this cash out prayer, ordinary headache, you must go and lie down on a hospital bed. We cannot say this prayer where they are. Lawyer Kunle has joined the call. No way. No way. Any small quarrel between any man and woman now, you will hear from my lawyers, divorce paper. If lawyer follow us to pray this prayer, the number of divorces will be very high this year. I cannot let this happen. No. It's not happening. How can I be doing live prayer? I'm seeing Yahoo boys. I'm seeing lawyers, medical doctors, and coffin sellers. No, we cannot hold that prayer. Please, I have to leave this live call now. It's not safe anymore. If I pray this prayer, these people join us, we are in trouble. Can you imagine? Akomu wants to cash out. People doing legit businesses want to cash out. You too, you're selling coffee, you want to cash out. Your cash out is going to be very, very disastrous to everybody. You will not cash out in Jesus' name. None of my viewers will be your customer this year, next year, forever. What? No. This is the end of this video. I cannot continue this video. No. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.